Yawning is a universal behavior experienced by humans and many animals, but have you ever wondered why we yawn? This seemingly simple action serves several purposes, and its origins and functions are more complex than most people realize. Yawning typically involves the opening of the mouth, followed by a deep inhalation and a slow exhalation. It often occurs in contexts of tiredness, boredom, or even when we see others yawning. One of the primary theories surrounding yawning is that it helps regulate brain temperature. Research suggests that when we yawn, we inhale a rush of cool air, which may help cool down our brains, similar to how a car radiator cools down an engine. This cooling effect can be especially helpful during periods of mental exertion or fatigue. By keeping the brain at an optimal temperature, yawning may enhance cognitive function and alertness. Another significant reason we yawn is related to social and communicative behavior. Yawning is contagious. Just seeing someone yawn can trigger the same response in you. This phenomenon is believed to strengthen social bonds, as yawning can indicate a group's synchronized state of alertness. When one member of a social group yawns, others often follow suit, which may signal a collective need for rest or a shift in attention, helping to maintain group cohesion. Additionally, yawning may play a role in the transition between different states of arousal. For instance, it often happens when we are transitioning from wakefulness to sleepiness or vice versa. This means yawning could serve as a behavioral cue that indicates the need for a change in alertness levels. It prepares our bodies for a shift in activity, making us more ready to focus or relax depending on the situation. Despite the various theories about why we yawn, much is still unknown about this interesting behavior. The multitude of functions it may serve highlights its importance in our daily lives. So the next time you feel the urge to yawn, remember that you are participating in a fascinating phenomenon that connects biology, social behavior, and mental health. Yawning can be more than just a sign of tiredness. It is a reminder of our body's complex ways of regulating itself and communicating with those around us.